Oh, you a girl.
Yo, it's only so get out of here.
I've been out here feeling me on a regular, fucking with this dream, preparation. You don't like I'm on that same shit, let me elevate you. Working through that patience, termination. This is how it is, tell me now. You really with it, then I'm feeling I've been out of line. Man, I cannot catch me out my temp, been a lot of high. And if you fucking with me then, you ain't never lie. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you. Never changing, too much change. Feeling like you know what's on. I ain't never lied, but I had it wrong. Dreaming big, chase it back. With me, then you with me, we gon' run it back. Mama overworking double shift, she gotta get her grind on. All this overtake she work, man, she missed her time home. But I get it, you got children, you gotta put your mind on it. This the realest shit that's happening, this money's not slow. Let's make it rain on them, just fuck it up, I know you really out here sound. But if you with it, we gon' roll it up for the man, homies. Just fuck it up, I know I'm body, it's a hang on it. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you.
Yo, what is up, everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Hope everybody's good. If y'all can hear me, let me know. Y'all probably can hear me off a couple things. Let me see. There we go. Good morning. I was trying something new. I was trying to see something, I'm testing the waters with what I'm trying to do on my live streams. Start playing some of my music videos, some of my songs, some of my tracks. I realized I never really play none of my music that I actually do. So I decided it's time to do it, So that's pretty much what's going on now. But let me go ahead and invite the team over if they all in. All right, there we go. Yes, sir. So, we're going to do our due diligence per usual. Due diligence.
Good morning.
Yo, good morning. What's going on, Mike? Or 120? I don't know if you can hear me. Mic check. Yeah, you can hear me. But
yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. But yeah, guys. So yesterday was a flop for me for 30. Man, I called out 2 joints and they just went down. Unfortunately, I was anticipating on that upwards move. I was being aggressive with this trade, even though I did see this as a spring. One thing that I did not wait on was my typical breakout retest, just to confirm that was the final move before it goes up. One thing I did is I had entered right here. Of course, you guys remember we entered here, but I also had re-entered here without waiting on that break of structure, pulling back and then going up. So we are now getting that actually, which is, this is the high. We broke structure and essentially pull back. Really, we're not getting that actual pullback yet, but this ain't really the time I want to trade 30 anyway. So that's pretty much what's going on with that. And then we're gonna look into something else in a bit. Let me check. Good morning. Good morning. Oil's been going up, y'all. I mean, damn, oil's been going up. Sheesh. I don't even know what time this started. I mean, what day was yesterday? I feel like this was yesterday for some apparent reason. Yesterday was only Wednesday or Tuesday, so we've been going up for quite some time. It's crazy though, but yeah. So yeah, we're going up. We are going to continue to go up to this high right here. If we do break this high, I am looking forward to come up to this next high right here to see what happens next with oil. But yeah, man, we just been booming. You know, that's really about it. Yo, we got Mike in the building as well. What's going on, Mike?
Hey, not much, guys. How you doing?
Good. I want to start bringing some more of y'all on the Zoom calls. That'd be pretty dope. Did you attempt? Yes, I did.
Morning there, Mr. 120.
All right, let's see. Cool. All right. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna wait, guys, to see what's going on with the market today. If there is gonna be any setups, cool. If not, it is what it is. But we are going to see. Let me see. Gold indices. I completely spelled indices wrong. I'm curious to know what y'all like trading, or what y'all will be trading today. I'm guessing we gonna get either oil or gold. Probably indices actually gonna win today. I just put up a poll. Everybody, make sure you go ahead and answer the poll. Bitcoin. Damn, I haven't traded Bitcoin in forever. Well, it really depends on the market for me. One thing about oil, I don't know if I'll be trading oil today because it is already booming. The only way that will change is, of course, if I can start getting some pullbacks. But essentially, we have levels that I got to pay attention to. Let me mark these levels differently here. Like I said, guys, I'm looking at these highs right here. We have this pretty much this whole entire area from this line, 92.54, all the way up to 93.70. that is a level of interest of where I would like to see rejection. For 30, we definitely got that with this low right here. And like I said, we swept out all of those lows there. The next part for me would be if we, of course we already did though. If we, and of course, once again, we did take out this high, then my next move would be these highs over here. It'd be anywhere from, let me go on a 4 hour to really look at this in a bigger picture. But we do have highs at about 33,924. That is an area of interest for me. That is a nice target point that I would like to see rejection at. And not even that, we are still technically going down. So, you know, this right here is actually considered an order block as well as a supply level. So, you know, this will be a strong level, something that we want to definitely pay attention to and be cautious of, because you never know. But I would love to see 30 for today move up. Once again, yesterday was a shame on me because I didn't follow 100% of my rules. The key to my trading is very effing simple. Wait on it to break structure. Once it breaks structure, wait for it to pull back. Once I get that pull back, wait for some sort of power candles, get in and get out. Just like that. Let me see. Speaking of it, let me see if we get this going. Yeah. So what y'all trading today? Yo, 120 and Mike, what y'all trading today?
I'm still looking at I'm trying to stick with US30. I'm trying to see if it's going to break that high. Again, it's almost like a little resistance area on that one high to the left that was from last night, but we'll see. I think today's going to be a little bit slow. There's no news today, so I don't see anything super exciting happening unless something happens that we don't know about.
Right.
Although tomorrow is a huge news day.
Is it now? What we got going on tomorrow? I didn't even check the news.
Oh my goodness, I'm probably not even going to trade tomorrow.
Is it that bad?
We got, let's see, where are we at? Final GDP, unemployment claims, Fomatic, someone speaking, home sales.
Yeah, I see. All right, makes sense.
Fed chair, Powell's going to speak as well. Well, that's at 3 o'clock, but so yeah, bunch of stuff going on.
It's a bank holiday for what? CNY. What is CNY again? Bank holiday. Okay. Gotcha. Hey, for everybody that is watching the stream right now, make sure you like the video and also make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. The Real Solo E is my IG. Make sure you tap in, follow me. Something super cool that I'm gonna be doing. I can't talk about it now. I was literally about to say, but I can't. But on my YouTube channel, I got a really fucking cool series coming out. Something that nobody is doing in the trading space. So it's gonna be really cool. Getting my my homie, he's actually gonna be the producer of this series, so he's finalizing everything, and then it's gonna be really pretty cool what we're gonna do. And guess what, 120, I don't know if you can hear me, but you're gonna be the first. Hopefully if you down to do it, you will be the first contestant, I would say.
Oh, snap.
You definitely be one of the contestants for sure.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, sir. It's definitely dope, man. It's definitely gonna be a dope experience.
Contestant. That's a word you don't hear much in Forex arena.
Nah, definitely not. Definitely not. Somebody asked if I use indicators. I actually do. And I don't. So I use indicators to sometimes give me like an extra confirmation. There's a really cool indicator I have been testing that I haven't really been saying too much about. I know y'all know it. It's called LuxAlgo. I just been testing it just to see what's up with it. I think it's a cool indicator. But that's definitely something I'm testing. And then on top of that, if there's any other indicator that is free on TradingView, it would probably be the RSI, literally. And I only use the RSI for diversions. That's it. I don't like the oversold overbought. I am not sold to that at all whatsoever. But if I see divergence, I'll just show you guys because I don't know why I don't have it on here anyway. I like to change my upper band to 83. I like to change my lower band. Sometimes I do it at 10. Sometimes I do it at 13. Let's do 13. And then I take out the RSI base MA. Hate that little thing there. I don't know why it's there. What else I do? Like I said, I don't really use it for oversold overbought. So sometimes I actually take out the upper band and the lower band. Oh, that's not it actually. Right here. Upper band and lower band, and then I take out the really the code or the color background as well, but we'll keep it on there for now. And we'll just keep this on here too, because much of a difference. But yeah, all I do is look for not oversold over, but all I do is look for divergence. If I see divergence in any shape or form, usually I like to look for divergence on the time frame I like to enter. Then that is a potential setup for me. So like maybe the 1 hour might be better, but if you go to the 1 hour, you will see that the RSI is giving you a complete opposite direction of what market structure and price action is giving you. It's dropping while the RSI is going up, so that definitely tells you a potential buy setup for 30. Now, one thing I like to do before I actually get in any divergence is I still wait for structure to break. Once it does, wait on the pullback. Once I see that, I'm in the trail. Let me actually put this back to 30. I only do 13 if I'm like using RSI sometimes to do like super scalping moves, like little scalp moves. It's got to be in and out though. And I'm like 1 minute time frame if I'm doing that. And then, like I said, another indicator I have is called sessions. It basically helps me know what session we're in. I no longer really need it just because now I got accustomed to looking at the time down here in TradingView to figure out what session I am in. One other indicator that I'm talking about is the LuxAlgo. Like I said, guys, this thing is pretty cool. They got a lot of features in here. I've been doing a lot of back tests with it, and it's pretty damn accurate with just these buy sells positions. But like I said, once I start adding a lot of this stuff, it kind of pushed me away from like focusing on price action and structure, which isn't a bad thing. But like I said, I put this on only once I understand the roadmap, once I understand where we're at. So like right now, US30, I know we have divergence. I know we're at its lowest point. I know we took the lows out from like a week, daily span and weekly span. I know we did break structure, which was here. And I know we're getting this, they call it a ascending triangle, right? Basically, I know we're getting this wedge, right? This is a typical Elliott wave play, 1, 2, 3, and then usually goes up from there. Also on top of that, if I was to get a signal from the LuxAlgo signals and overlays, that will even be another confirmation too. So, you know, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I gotta post this link on Facebook real quick, y'all. Once again, if you just now joining, make sure you that's always something funny on Facebook. Once again, make sure you follow me on Instagram, The Real Solo E. Follow me on Instagram and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. Y'all, they got they got this place called Frying Nemo. It's a fish and chip place. Look at this. Yo, that's funny.
Well, I guess they found them.
And that's how you get people in.
Yeah, I got a question for you guys and all your listeners here. And somebody brought it up. I can't remember if I read it somewhere or whatever, but do you think anything would happen with the markets if the government shuts down? Do you think it'll have any effect?
If the government shuts down, yeah, absolutely. In my opinion, I do. I mean, well, it depends on what you mean by shut. Like, yeah, it will.
Yeah, well, they're close to shutting down, I guess, if they don't come up with some kind of deal or whatever they do over there in Washington. But yeah, that was like one of these questions.
Did this not happen like 2 years ago? Something like that, like 2-3 years ago?
Yeah, it happened years ago, but I wasn't doing any Forex stuff back then.
I can't remember what, if any. I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if the markets will go up because everybody was like, hey, finally the government shut down. We don't need them anyway.
Oh, that's actually pretty interesting. I need y'all to help me get to 100K subs. Everybody, make sure y'all tap in and subscribe. We close. We 20K more.
Well, I usually don't look at gold, but just taking a peek at it now, it's been dropping for a while.
Nah, Mike, don't push me to it. I'm focused on 30 right now. Oil, I would be focused on oil, but it ain't
I'm not
oil.
dealing with gold either. I was just curious to see what was going on with it.
Nah.
That's window shopping. I don't have to buy.
Yeah, nah, definitely. Y'all, if anybody is not a part of the Discord community, I have the link in the description. Y'all can definitely tap into the link in the description. Like I said, moving forward, I definitely want to start bringing a couple of y'all into the how can I put, the live streams, you know, all interact as a community.
Yeah, you're talking about indicators and divergence and stuff like that. I have one because I'm just starting to pay attention to divergence, and I don't see it as easily, you know, as you can just look at a chart and boom, you see it. But anyway, there's an indicator that I added. What the heck is it called? I want to come up now. Let's see. Oh, here. Oh, that's kind of funny. It's just called divergence indicator, and it actually it'll draw those lines that Solo just put on there on the indicator itself.
Jeez, we got a lot of indicators out here, for real.
Oh, I know. I mean, this is a free one. I try to look for the most simple ones, but that's, I mean, that's that. And another one I was kind of messing with, if anybody deals with fair value gaps, there's one, well, actually from LuxAlgo, what you're just talking about. LuxAlgo has a fair value gap.
LuxAlgo got some shit.
Oh yeah.
Like, realistically, like, This one called price action concept. I think that's the one. Yeah, it is the one. Here we go. It's a lot of shit in here, but if you understand break of structure, change of character, order blocks, fair value gaps, this indicator is a beast on that. Like, they have premium and discount zones. Let me select that, see what that looks like. Yeah, there you go. Premium discount zones. Geez, I haven't even got the chance to play with this part yet because there's so much info. But yeah, there's a lot in here, guys. Y'all can tap into for sure. And yeah, even thanks to LuxAlgo, they did sponsor these live streams too. So if y'all ever want to use it to get a nice discount, you could. But no, Mike, you tried LuxAlgo before?
Yeah, well, like the one that I have on here now is the fair value gap. That's not the premium one. That's just
the free version.
Yeah, that's the only, like, I guess they pulled that out of their main, premium one and just made it a single thing. But no, I heard of LuxAlgo, all the time. Anytime you think indicators, that's one of the first things you kind of think of is LuxAlgo because we have so many that are out there. But it is nice if you buy that package, you can just pick and choose which one you want, and based on your strategy, you just use which indicators you need and forget about the rest. So
yep. That's true.
But I try to stay. Let's see, what indicators do I have? I got, well, sessions obviously. Like the LuxAlgo, I don't even have it showing right now. I got the EMA on there, and then there's one called Smart Money Concept, and the only thing I use that for is it very easily picks out your highs and your lows. I like indicators that they don't really tell me what to do, but gives me a picture of what's happening. You know what I'm saying? Does that make any sense? It just,
yeah.
Rather than me trying to find where the highs and lows are, boom, it puts it right in front of me without me having to spend time figuring all that stuff out. But even though I still draw my lines and things, but it's kind of nice. Plus, it tells you where your structure breaks and where there's change of characters and all that other kind of. It does a lot more than I need, so I just kind of click off the things that I don't need.
No, that's facts. That's facts. So, cause I'm trying to remember, what is the smart money concept with LuxAlgo? Is it
the one I have is called Smart Money Concept Expo, like in parentheses, it's Expo. Oh, you have it on your LuxAlgo?
Yeah.
It wouldn't surprise me if you didn't.
They got the fair value gap here, VI. Anybody here knows what? All right, let me ask anybody here that's a strict smart money concept trader. Can y'all tell me what is a VI, OG, or a BPR? So if I click fair value gap, it's gonna show all the fair value gaps, which this is when it starts to get a little crazy. But it's really fucking cool though. Like I said, I haven't even got the chance to play with this one yet. But let me expand these out. I think I can expand these fair value gaps out to like extend box. What's 30?
Someone just said VI is volume imbalance. Yeah, you talk about imbalance a lot.
Yeah, I do talk about imbalance, but I look at fair value gaps as imbalance. So let me just see what VI looks like and where that would be. Look at that. Wow, this is accurate though. Hold on. Let's go back to fair value gaps. I'm just realizing at least for these two, they've been very accurate. Like, I don't know when a fair value gap, I don't know if it painted after these three candles, but essentially that's what it's supposed to do. But it tapped in at 50% perfectly. This line is the 50 mark and it dropped. That's pretty accurate.
Yeah, I don't think the fair value gaps it repaints, because it's as the fair value gaps are it'll like literally disappear once it's taken out by a candle, or it'll appear once it's gone. So it's not like it's like real time.
Okay. So all right, makes sense. I want to actually try this out on live today, y'all, no lie. But if I try this out, I'm gonna actually take a super small lot, because you know, y'all know how I am with indicators. I like it, but then it's a love-hate relationship. But if you use it the right way, you will be fine. Like I told you guys, we already know the roadmap for US30, and we are projecting it to go up. So this again shouldn't be an issue, right? This should not be an issue. I'm actually trying to figure out what is every other feature in here. What I'm using once again is called LuxAlgo. I'm using the premium version. If you guys want, like I said, shout out to LuxAlgo. They did sponsor these live streams. So if y'all ever want to, get it discounted rate, y'all can just get it. Use that link. Link's also in the description as well. But I'm really just trying to see how effective this really is, and I want all of us to see if this is really effective. The problem is there's a lot of features in here that I will really have to sit down and take the time to play around. Like I said, I never played around with price action concept. I played around with the LuxAlgo signals very well, and it's a good one, but I really feel like this one is more powerful. I do. Especially if you trade fair value gaps, if you trade order blocks. If you are ICT geek, smart money concept geek, this is probably the indicator for you. They even have liquidity graphs in here, bro. What the hell? Let's see what that looks like. So that's what I'm saying. There's too much going on for me, and it throws me off in so many ways. Like, I hate when my chart, because I have OCD, and I feel some type of way. Like, my anxiety gets crazy if I start seeing a bunch of stuff popping in my charts. So
I'm the same way. Yeah, you look at some people's charts, it looks like a roadmap. They got so many
and that's
lines.
cool. But that's cool. But for me, I don't know. It's just like structure MT5. Wait, structure MT5. Structure MTF scanner. I don't need that. Let me take that off. What is that? Nothing happened, so I don't know. What is this right here? Oh, this is showing order blocks. I don't need that. I can pretty much eye that without seeing that. So let's take that off. See, okay, so that's that. That's perfect. That's what I don't want. Internal buy sell activity. What is that? Let's see. Let's take that off for a bit and see what that is. Okay, nothing happened. Let's keep it back on there. Time frames, fair value gaps. We'll keep that on there. Liquidity grabs. This is really cool. I want to see what this is all about. Where does it show liquidity grabs? Oh, that's cool. Look at that, equal low. You can't really see it, guys, but is that the liquidity grab feature? Let's take it off. Oh no, that's the equal low feature. So apparently it shows us equal highs and equal lows, which I guess is good for liquidity grabs.
Does it look like, is it showing you break of structures and stuff too? It's kind of hard for me to see those little lines.
Yeah, it's break of structures as well, but I don't need that. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah.
How do I take that off? Or wait, was that? I don't know. LuxAlgo, Lux algorithm got it.
All right, someone's saying liquidity grab may be a wick color change or a dot over a candle.
Oh, is it this right here? Is this the liquidity grabs? Let me just remove the liquidity. Yes, that is the liquidity grab right there.
It changes the wick color. Wow.
Well, it just draws a box around it. Shit, I want to see how powerful this is on a 1 hour. Higher time frame, the better data you get. Like I said, there's a lot going on right now. So what is this green box right here? What is this green line? So you guys see where I'm at right now. This is why I haven't said too much about it, because I still want to like perfect this. Oh wait, is this the internal buy sell activity? Let's see. What is this? Premium discount line? I don't have that feature on here. This is premium discount. It gets a little tense once I think, which this is a powerful tool. Premium discount. I'm gonna keep that on there just to see what it really does. But I don't know what these lines are right here, guys. I really don't know. Oh wait, what is this? Internal and swing. What is this? Let's see. Display internal market structure. Drop down. Type of internal structure to display. Length. Oh, okay. So apparently this is supposed to let us know the internal highs and the internal lows. That's fucking cool. So the green is supposed to be the internal high. The red is supposed to be the internal low. Huh. That's fucking crazy. Okay, I gotta figure out how all of this works, guys. Like I know this is a powerful tool. I really do, but I have never really took the time to actually utilize this. But I do know it's a powerful tool. And I'm glad I'm doing this live because a lot of y'all is actually telling me a lot of things that I did not know about LuxAlgo. I was just gonna do some research on YouTube or something to figure out every little feature. But see if it aligns with the 50% mark. So so much going on, bro. I can't even do this. I gotta get used to this. Fuck. But it's cool. It is cool. It even shows you the balance. Wow. It shows you the balance, the equilibrium of this range. This is actually a range right here that any swing trader would trade. This is what I would draw my fibs from. I would drop from the premium to the discount, and I'm sure this 50% mark, this is the 50% mark. Yeah, so that's pretty accurate. That's cool. I don't know what use that would be for me, but I think that's pretty cool for somebody trying to get into it. They got a lot of this break of structure. Ah, look, we got a blue one. What is this, liquidity grab? We got equal highs here. I don't like this equal high thing. I might have to take that out. I think that's pretty, I don't like it. I don't see a use for that one, so let's take that out. I do like that liquidity graph feature. It's pretty cool. And I gotta figure out really what I should be using this for. These internal highs and internal lows. Oh, how does this look on a 1 minute? That's the real question. Now, this would be crazy if it looks pretty cool. Let's see.
A lot of fair value gaps.
Huh, yeah, right. So we got this right here, tapped into the 50% mark. Boom, went up. Draw my fibs out. Y'all know my strategy is super basic. Boom, tapped into this fib, and then it did another pullback. Once again, if y'all don't know, my fib strategy is super simple. I always wait for it to come into any of these levels before it creates a new high. This is kind of where I would know like the new high would be formed. This red line up here is kind of like my manipulation line, but yeah, I think it's cool. Let me see.
It's kind of funny. I was looking for a fair value gap indicator because, you know, I just wasn't like just seeing them, you know, raw on the chart itself, because I was kind of messing around with that silver bullet deal. And it was easier to use that indicator to find the fair value gaps between, you know, 10, 11 o'clock or whatever. But no, I mean, it's kind of interesting. Like when I look at the fair value gaps, when you like how you see a whole bunch of them below on your screen, I'm thinking to myself, well, eventually it has to take those things out. So you can kind of see, you know, how many fair value gaps are either, you know, above or below where you're at in your price to know, okay, it's going to go and take those out. So anyway, I think the key is with these indicators, like I said before, I don't use them to tell me when to trade, but I use them to show me things that you can eventually look at the chart by itself. But these indicators just pop up and say, oh, there it is. I don't have to like bring out my super reading glasses to kind of see these candles and wicks and stuff.
Okay, makes sense. So like right here, because I'm really considering buying this 30, but see, going on a 5 minute, I see it showing me this is the what? Oh, I'm like confused. Why is premium red? Okay, and discount is green. I get it. Obviously, it's saying this is where you want to sell it, and this is where you want to buy it. I'm one of them type of guys that like to how can I put it? Like know what's really going on in the back end of this algo, because you know that's how I am. Like Where's the measurement from this premium discount? Is it measured? I see. That's pretty fucking cool.
Did they put is that like they did the range like you do?
Yes, they actually do the range just like how I do. That's actually pretty fucking cool. This is literally equilibrium right here. However, though, that's good. That's really good for algo to pick up on that in the century that we are in. That's really good. But I wanted to, and this probably might be a setting I could change, which I'm pretty sure. But this is also something too. Like, you know, market could actually just come 50% here and then go up. But shit, I do like this, man, because I don't have to keep trying to figure out where the fair value gaps are at or imbalance. If you guys really trade fair value or imbalance, you know, you got this here to just mark it up for you. And I think this is actually very accurate, and you can change the settings too. So it's not that bad. Y'all said this is the volume. What VI stands for again? Volume what? Something.
Volume imbalance, I think.
Volume imbalance, yeah, okay. What is this one? Nothing had happened. BPR, never heard of that before. Okay. Oh, you can't change the settings on the price on the premium discount. Okay. They even got trend lines. I'm not a big fan of this. I don't need this, but I'm curious to see what is it. Oh, that's pretty fucking cool. Patterns. What is this? Okay, yeah, they going crazy. We don't need all that. I see what they doing. All right, they need to chill. Okay. Volume and balance. Got you. Okay. I don't really look at market as far as like I do look at imbalance, but actually I consider VI and fair value gap the same shit. It's just like pips away. Let's do. But I am looking for a buy soon with US30. Now seeing that we did hit the premium level, you know, we are going to get the drop. But once again, I am aware of this anyway, because usually at every high, market does rejection. We don't know if it's either going to take it or make it, meaning that if it's going to build up more liquidity like it's doing now, or if it's just going to completely just head up from there. So this was the pattern, huh? How accurate is these breaker structures? Mike, how accurate is the breaker structure change of character to you when you use it?
They're pretty, no, they're real accurate actually. They'll show me ones that I didn't realize because there's like a candle or something that I didn't see or whatever. But sometimes I know there's a setting on the one that I have that you can adjust how many it shows you, because sometimes it'll just like there'll be just like so many of them on there, but it'll mainly show you the main ones.
Okay.
But yeah, it does. The one that I don't have showing is a change of character, because it shows so many of them, because especially on like when you get on the 5-minute, 1-minute time change, I mean, it's change of characters like all the time, just because it, you know, breaks it and then all of a sudden it goes the opposite direction. But yeah, no, I don't. I mean, I have it on there. I don't. I don't need it, but I have it on there anyway, just because it is what it is. The lower highs and lower lows and higher highs, higher lows. That's pretty cool. I mean, that one that one I look at it for that. But
how do you remove these change? I can't. I'm still trying to figure out how to remove the change of character and breaker structure, as I absolutely don't need it. Wait a minute. No, I don't think you can remove it.
Yeah, well, you should be able to.
Time frame. What is that chart? Okay. Color candle structure. I thought it was this right here, but it wasn't that. Show mid. What's this? Yeah, apparently I don't know how to I don't know how to remove the thing that I absolutely really don't need at all. Wait, what's this?
Let's see. Let me see what mine's.
No, that's not it.
Well, I don't have the LuxAlgo on mine, but let me see if they just use a weird name. Oh, mine's BMS.
Oh, wait, somebody gave me the insight right here. Thank you. So y'all know about LuxAlgo. Thank you. I appreciate that. I needed that. Yeah, I needed that removed. It was pretty annoying. I don't look, it's still showing. Oh, it's showing it. These are the swing ones. Okay. So I haven't back tested this change of character here, but I do have a question for y'all. When y'all see the change of character, does it happen before the breakout or does it happen after the breakout? Does it print after the breakout or before the breakout? Mike, do you know that answer too?
On the change of character and everything?
Does that print before the breakout or after the breakout?
On the, like I said, I don't have the one that's the LuxAlgo, but on mine, as the breakout is happening, it'll pop up, and then if it does a little pullback, then it'll disappear. So it's when the candle closes is when it either stays there or it doesn't. But as the price is breaking it and coming back and breaking it and coming back, it'll like kind of turn on and off. You know what I'm saying? And then because I think I had mine set to candle close. I'm trying to remember if that was one that I had set for that. Maybe not on this one. Some of them will say, "Hey, don't show me until the candle closes," kind of deal. But yeah, mine's like pretty much real time. So I would think it'd be real time on LuxAlgo. I don't know if LuxAlgo does a lot of painting type indicators.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be a good podcast for you. Have one of the LuxAlgo guys come on.
I think that might be pretty dope. I gotta get used to this first. I gotta figure this out. Cause I feel like this is a very powerful indicator, but it just depends on how you use it, I guess.
Yeah, like I said, I think you use whatever your strategy is. Just use the ones that you need for your strategy.
Exactly.
I'd like to know from your viewers what indicators they use. Like, what's their favorite indicator?
Anybody here use indicators? If so, yeah, what is your favorite indicator? Whoa, what is this? Oh, this is oil. This is cool. It kind of pulled back to it and went up again, pulled back, went up. This seems pretty accurate. Guess it just comes down to what is the valid fair value gap if y'all look at it like that. Like I said, I am looking on 30 to go up. Just a matter of what entry, when to enter. I see we got this block or this box red, so I'm guessing that is the liquidity grab. That should happen.
I guess because it broke the candles to the left. You grab that liquidity.
Pretty dope. But yeah, I am looking for a buy for like I said, I'm looking for a buy for 30. 830, that's kind of where I'm gonna be. Trigger happy. Oil, nothing's going on. It's just tapping up into these levels. This is the level that I was anticipating for it to tap into anyway. And then we also have GU. I forgot about GU, guys, completely. But I am actually looking on GU to drop as well. It is basically, I want to know something. Did this discount print after the fact this happened, or did it actually? Interesting. Anywho, I'm looking on GU to actually head down after the pullback, because it's guys, it's going to be dropping till all the way to these levels down here. Like this right here is going to be dropping down to these levels here. That's for sure. Let me show you guys on a 4-hour scale. This is what I'm talking about.
That indicator that shows you the premium and discount in the midpoint, that'd be good for anyone who does your 3-man standing.
Yeah, one thing I just really wish I could change the settings to like get the tighter premium discount levels, you know.
Yeah,
The only thing about it, but it's actually accurate. But just seeing how the features or the settings is already fixed, I probably would just use this on a higher scale only, and then just use what I know on a lower scale. Like, you know, me, I would be like, all right guys, here's the range. This is actually the range that I am looking at right now. Want to see market pull back, and what's cool is you can take your fibs out. Since there's so many fair value gaps here, you can kind of pick and choose what is aligned in this 50. Well, this is actually the 45% and the 618. And as you see, the only fair value gap that really aligns is something here, which I don't know really what it is, but there's one here. So pretty much anywhere in this level is where we're looking for market to pull back to in order for me to enter. That is pretty much my strategy. And then for a scalper, for a scalper like myself, all I'm doing is in and out. So I can get in somewhere around here. TP1 here, TP2 here, TP3 somewhere here, and I'm out. Or if you really want to hold the trade, remember when you hold a trade for a long period of time, there is a high chance that the market will come to these fib points and actually pull back a little bit further. Maybe it might pull back to this equilibrium and then go up from there. I got so many people that I gotta contact. Hey, once again, y'all, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I don't think y'all following me. I need y'all to definitely tap in. Follow me on Instagram. You know, one thing I hate about trading is when you wait on the setup, but the setup never happens and it just goes. That's one thing that we all hate as a trader, but we just have to stick by the rules. And today market is going to be pretty slow. Market is actually just doing what it was trying to finish up from yesterday. I thought I removed this change of character. Why is it still here? Oh, this is the swing.
Yeah, or if you wait for your setup, you finally get it, and then it happens so fast you missed it. It's like,
yeah, that's facts.
The candle just takes off without you. Like, son of a. 5 minutes to open.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh, look at this one. 5 minute on GU is actually dope. Yo, what's going on? One thing I will definitely say is actually I am looking on GU to continue to go up for a bit. All right, this breaker structure is really killing me. I got to take all of them off. I just can't do it. All right, there we go. Yeah, so I'm actually looking on GU to go up because I do see, in my eyes, this is actually a whole liquidity area that definitely needs to be taken out potentially. Not only that, this is what we like to call redistribution right here. Oh my God, this is a perfect redistribution setup. This either could be the UTAD, UT, or UTAD. UTAD would be another move going up. But regardless, whatever we can get, if we can get that, boom. So we do have a GU setup coming as well. Yeah, I trade New York open. What the hell? I really love GU, man. It's one of the probably one of my favorite forex pairs. Like Mike was 120 was saying yesterday, British pound pairs, for some reason they're like the best pairs to trade if you trade forex, in my opinion. I mean, you guys seen I only when I do trade forex, it's either GJ, mainly GJ. Back in the day, I used to trade British pound. What else? I used to trade GU a lot before. Those are really it. I was never trading Euro USD. I was never really trading AUD USD. I just found those pairs to be super slow and not as much volume. USD CAD, I was trying to get into it, never really liked it. USD Yen, never really liked it. So always a British pound pair. Those are like the most volatile for forex pairs. I love how it moves. I love how fluent it is. It works very well with structure. If you are a structure-based trader, forex pairs is probably the best best option. You know, if you love structure and price action, you can definitely get into like any British pound pair. So like this is a fair value guy right here, and then mark this one. Can you change the settings on this? Just the what's this? Volatility threshold 63. I see. Switch out non-balance to imbalance and higher threshold value and more balance to imbalance. Oh, really? So if we set this to 2, interesting.
a second. They watching your next, so you gotta protect it. Running it up and we breaking the records. You gave us your last, you should've just kept it. Eyes on me as soon as I step in. The eye on me, you know what I'm repping. It's eyes, so yeah, you know what we dressing. Our blessings is coming, they know that we destined. Like it or love it, they know how we coming. Just send us the budget. Send us the budget. She want a second, my hands are on weed. She tell me don't touch it.
All right, it's 8:30. It's 8:30. There we go. We took out all of that liquidity right there. Hey, damn, we tap into the equilibrium too off this range too. Let's see what happens. We did take out liquidity. This is all liquidity right here too. You can see liquidity either diagonal or straight. So yes, we do have liquidity here. Got my eye on these two pairs right here. Let me see if we draw fails from this side to this low. Oh my gosh, this is moving. This is moving. It needs to chill a little bit. This is so much liquidity that just needs to be. Oh, never mind. Well, if this ends up being a more liquidity buildup, it's definitely got to come back and take that before we buy it. We're not gonna get trapped in that. And then GU, it's actually moving slow, but it's definitely still looking on that drop. Just don't know if this is really what I want to see. We do have these lows here, so I honestly really just want to see a pullback, man. I would be surprised if 30 continues to drop again. When you're a swing trader, does the Forex sessions matter? I would say so. It will still matter. Because if you trade in like during London session, you kind of want to know what session you're on, because that's where it's going to be volatile the most, and especially for entries. I would definitely say so. Oh, this came perfectly in this one. Yo, 30 is just running down. Oil is still running up.
Yeah, I didn't think 30 was going to do what it's doing, but it's taking out all those lows.
Yeah, it definitely is. Hey, if it continue to goes down, then damn. I know NASDAQ. I mean, if it does follow NASDAQ. I do feel like NASDAQ. Oh, we actually did too. We did take out these lows here, and I was literally saying this before. Like, if we take out these daily lows, we definitely will be coming to like anywhere in this area right here. Cause I do feel like NASDAQ definitely will drop, and this will be it right here. Let me do one thing.
I'm the man in the city, and my bank account bigger, and my body count bigger. That's without a doubt. I'm 100 steps ahead. That's a lot of mouth. That's a lot of clout. What you all about? What your dollar amount? Are you a boy scout? I'm a big dog. Tell the truth, I don't get y'all. This shit sounding corny, motherfucker. Turn this shit off, bro. I can't rap how everybody else rap, bro. Everybody talking about how cars, clothes, chains, and money. That shit corny as fuck. I don't want to rap about that corny. Motherfucker, I've been mortified, feeling like I'm mortified.
Yo, US30 is dropping like crazy. Fucking A. 15 minute. That looked beautiful. That's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We been trying to dodge shells before it landed on tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo. I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, it been scheming when the birth definition came from black. We all know it's black. Unions, everybody love the culture, they be black by convenience.
Hold on, man. You talking way too much conscious. Nobody want to hear that shit. Speak about some hoes or some money or shit. I don't want to hear that shit. I'm not saying don't rap how you rap, but make some shit.
Yo, Mike, how your YouTube channel going?
It's a little slow. I keep wanting to do something, and then I get busy doing something else. But yeah, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I think I'm like, and this happens to me a lot. I'm like in paralysis by analysis.
Okay.
It's like I just want to make it so like good that I keep changing my mind on things. I just gotta do it. But yeah.
Yeah, I feel you. No, I feel you.
Now that I see how you stepped up your game with yours so much, I'm like, oh my god.
Hey, you gotta start somewhere though.
Oh, I know.
I'm kind of upset right now, y'all. Like, market kind of left me with the setup. I'm curious to know, like, I know I ask this a lot, and a lot of y'all say y'all want to trade every single day, but a lot of times, if you have a strict setup or a strict plan, strict rule book, and you follow it to the T, you will realize your setups don't happen every day. Like, you will realistically realize your setups don't happen every day.
I almost think with US30, when it does a big drop early on like this, it usually takes the rest of the day to kind of slowly work its way back up again.
Yeah. No, yeah, that's true.
I guess we'll see what happens when it gets down to that low. It's
I
gonna
think
break.
I think this is gonna rip through. It's definitely gonna continue to go down. My eyes,
Yeah.
like no lie.
Let's see what's further left of that. Is there anything? Go to 4 hour. Yeah, it has a. Actually, on the 4 hour, it's kind of sitting at a support area from way back. I mean, if you had a where it hit a couple times, let's see, June 23rd. Oh wait, not June 23rd. I was looking at the year. June 26th and July 10th has lows in that exact same area. So if it takes those out, it might drop all the way down to the next one that's to the left. But that's so far out, you know.
Nah, yeah, for sure. But it's going. It's definitely going. I don't know how I feel about this premium discount thing. It's pretty cool, but it's kind of annoying.
Someone was asking how much are your offers for your mentorship on price action. Well, you have a new boot camp you're opening up, right?
Yeah. If y'all want to apply for that boot camp, I did pin that in the chat. So y'all could definitely check that out. Really what I'm waiting on now, since we did determine what we're doing, we're going down, waiting on a pullback, and then I'm gonna be entering in for 30. That's my move. Since we did break the structure for a downtrend, which I was anticipating to go up, but it is what it is. It just confirms that we still have a lot of lows to come down to. So I'm waiting on the pullback, and then I'm gonna enter. So if you think about it, LuxAlgo predicted this move. This what? Move? Did it now. And you gotta inform me on how though. You said you've been milking gold.
The dollar's been on a steady bull run for a while, so it doesn't surprise me gold's dropping so much.
Oh, you said the premium showed the signal. Yeah, it did it, right? I think it did on the 15 or 5 minute. 5 minute. It did. Like I said, man, I just started really like using this indicator today. No lie. So I can't really say too much about it. That's why I'm like, I want to actually trade it live, but I can't do it on my live account yet until I back test it. So I want to back test this first to see how accurate. I mean, it ain't even about accuracy, but I just want to see if it really aligns with how I trade. And I know it does, because obviously I do trade a lot of structure and price action, so it does. But I just want to see how accurate this one is. This particular indicator, I know the signal indicator they have overlays is pretty cool. I was using that one a lot, but I'm actually curious about this one now, because I do see premium here. I mean, I get it. It's all demand. Like this is all self-explanatory stuff with price. So it's like, yeah, now I can go on my 1 minute, 2 minute time frames and start looking for my entries. 1 minute, I always look for like something like that in a way. What I'm curious to know, Mike, about this indicator is how accurate is this every time it hits these demands or this discounted premium? Does it really actually pull? That's something I'm interested to know.
When you say how accurate, what do you mean?
Like
if it repaints or something?
I know it doesn't repaint, but like I know earlier when we was looking at US30, the premium box was literally here, and it did pull, but I'm just trying to remember, did it? Like it changed when we changed time frames, right? That's what I mean. Like, is it still in the same area depending on the time frame we're in, or does it adjust with each time frame?
Well, draw a box around it and then change your time frame.
Oh yeah,
See
you're
if
right.
it-
They both should be the same 5 to 1 minute. Okay, so all right, I see. That's where it gets a little tricky.
Yeah, so it does change on the time frame.
Okay. So y'all really gotta know how to use this. Yeah. For the day alone. Both premium levels. It was just really just this premium level because this was aligning with the 15-minute too, so. It's interesting though.
Kind of wonder if it breaks through the premium level,
That's what
then
I'm trying to figure out too. Like, what happens? Does it move down more? Like,
yeah, exactly.
that's what I'm trying to figure out. Does it move down more? Because there's no way that if I go on a 1 hour, this is the discount level. Because I know it's gonna keep dropping. So I'm just wondering, like, as it's dropping, is it gonna be here, and then here? Yeah, guys, I gotta do some serious back testing on that. I think it's a cool indicator, or at least that part, that's setting is a cool setting in this indicator. I just gotta figure it out before I get to doing too much. But hey, we do have a potential scalp move for buys. This is a simple scalp strategy right here. Long it anywhere in between my 50 or anywhere between these two levels. That's where I like to look. We got the equilibrium inside that. I'm gonna wait on this next candle before I actually try to take this trade. Let me see if I can take this trade. Oh, you said dollar line? Yeah, it goes GU. Yeah, GU's about to drop. Hey y'all, starting next week, I'm gonna change up my whole overlay. By the way,
Nice.
I just want something more simple. Why the hell can I not find lo-fi?
I think US30 is going to consolidate here for a little bit before it does something.
Yeah. I am not in anything right now. Not yet. Oh, there we go with this one. I'm not liking this one. I'm gonna wait on it to tap into these levels up here, and then I'm gonna just sell it. I prefer to sell it than buy it. It's just too risky.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing.
Yeah,
Just with that, such an aggressive drop.
yeah. But I do see it going up. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. But I don't think this trade is worth my time, to be honest. Day's been decent. If we can come up to this level right here, anywhere in here, this 50% mark, this is where I'm looking for something. Like anywhere in this level right here is where I'm looking for.
Yeah, I think you said yesterday, US30 can almost count on a pullback, unlike NAS.
Mm-hmm. For sure. Good morning. Good morning. I am not in this trade, like I said, guys. I'm actually going to wait on a bigger play, which is going down. But there is a nice little move to go up, but that's not something I'm risking to take.
Are you still doing the copy trade stuff, Solo?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I am. I'm actually curious to see where my money is at with this. I gotta sign there. So right now we are $7 in profit. I'll take that.
Says $7.
We
Hey.
are $7 in profit. Well, it says negative right now, but this is the overall profit. Invested 4,000. This trader trades, I think, New Zealand USD. 63% win rate. The reason why I copied this guy's trade, even though it's in Russian, or I think this is Russian, right? Is his profit margins were crazy. Like, yeah, today, like, he lost money in 3 days. Oh shit. Within a month, that's when he started. Yeah, okay. 3 months. So yeah, this is where I was going off for 3 months. I look at copy trading as just something small, nothing crazy. Short-term investment. I mean, long-term investment, nothing crazy. Oh shoot, I just realized I didn't see you. What the hell was that? Oh. Yandel, what's up, brother?
So that copy trade thing, how does that work? You just set an account with them, you know, invest $100, $1,000, whatever it is. You don't have to do anything on your end. Is it just as they make money, you start making money?
Yeah, you just follow a trader that you find is
Okay,
convenient
so
for you, and that's really it. And you
Nice.
just hit follow, invest money, and then just let it do its thing.
Hey, Yandel, how are you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, we chilling.
You still trading from your bed?
Yeah.
How's your back or whatever?
Huh?
Didn't you have something going on with your back?
No, I don't.
Oh, I thought you had something going on
What's
that
up?
kind of had you laid up.
Frostbite.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a
frostbite. That's
frostbite.
what it was. I have a good memory.
Yeah.
It's just short.
He did
Yeah,
have
okay.
a good memory. It's just short. Like I said, guys, I'm not in US30. I'm not in US30. I'm waiting on the sell setup. And exactly it's dropping. It's not trying to break these highs. That's really what's going on. I want a better position, man. This position sucks. $120, welcome back.
Thank you, brother.
So Mike, welcome to the challenge, or welcome to the family of having a funded account with Mr. 120 Challenge.
Oh, that was amazing.
Hey, Mike, I just got your message, bro. We're gonna set up something where I can break it down for you. We get on Zoom or something.
Okay. Whatever I got to do, man.
Yeah, I'm just busy as hell this week, man. I got a team, but man, it's so damn busy over here, so I'm just catching up right now.
Well, I saw a couple people signed up. Just looking at our the Discord they were saying. So cool.
Yeah, man, it's been going crazy, man. I'm trying to keep up, man.
Yes, sir, guys. Once again, if you want a free, not free, I keep saying free. If you want to do the challenge to get a 100K account you know, you can definitely accept the 120 challenge. You do get a discount, which is 20 if you use solo 20. Mike is now officially funded with the 120 challenge. I'm also funded through the 120 challenge. I only took 2 trades, but I took 2 small. It's weird, the lots, man. I took a 5 standard lot on USOIL and it didn't even do anything. I'm like, what is going on? So yeah, it's weird. But either way it goes, if you guys want that challenge, definitely go ahead and use the code solo20. See,
Solo?
this is what yo, what's up?
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I remember I did copy trading my first 9 months, and it was Doyle Exchange.
Signals, right?
Yeah, no, it was kind of like videos or something.
Okay.
And then I quit it after because I lost all my money.
What happened?
I lost all my money
In a trade or something? Like one single trade or just overall? Like,
overall.
got you. Yeah, it does happen though. That does happen. We
I
can't
don't do that
predict.
no more though.
Yeah, we can't predict
I
the
trade by
future.
myself.
That's one thing everybody should do. And you being how old you are, like I tell you all the time, you'll be good.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see on that on that account yesterday that got funded. I thought I saw it yesterday, but I think I figured it was like less. It was like around 20 minutes. That's how long it took to get that account funded.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
I think it was the same for me too.
That was crazy. And then once I sent in all the verification stuff, it was like within I don't know, a minute or two that I sent me the, yep, you're verified and your account's live.
Yeah, they definitely got better or something because they definitely used to take like 72 hours.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting. So I figured, oh, I'll just chill the next few days.
Yeah, mine was 72 hours.
Yours was?
Yeah, legitimately.
I mean, I literally.
I know Mike got some secret sauce over there or something.
For real, something like what the heck you do to get that joint quick? Did you get your
somebody finally likes me?
You got a certificate too?
Well, they didn't send that. They just sent an email saying it was funded, and then as soon as I sent out, you sign that one terms of service or whatever the heck it is, and as soon as I sent that up there, within like a minute, I got an email saying, "Okay, we're good, you're live." But no, I don't have a certificate yet, so.
They suck at that part. You gotta ask them for it.
You gotta ask.
They suck at that.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll do that then.
That's what I had to do.
I got my TP1 hit.
Hey, on what trade?
GBPJPY.
Okay. Congrats on you.
Yeah, Mike, if you got some time today to do that, that'd be great because I'm leaving tomorrow for Pittsburgh and I won't be back until like Sunday. So, but if not, we can hold off. It's up to you. I know you're busy.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you know about before the day over with.
Okay.
Damn, I feel like that US30 was the trading bone. Yandel, somebody got a question for you. Jojo, he wants to know. He said, Solo, ask him if he took the exact trades. Did you take the actual trades, like all the exact trades? That's what Jojo wants to know.
Well, I used his strategy. I kind of used it. I don't really like it. I like my own strategy more. Once I first got in, the chat, I saw all the trades, and I took like 2, but and then I saw them for like the rest of the month. They were not good.
Well, he mainly does supply and demand, right?
Yeah, but like he would call out a setup, and it would be less than a 1-to-1. So like he would post a 1-to-1 on Instagram, but it's kind of hard to catch the move he does because it rejects so fast. Okay, train on the 5-minute.
Well, that's not surprising because sometimes this stuff does move so fast. So by the time you post a signal or whatever you want to call it, it's already done.
Cause that'd be me. Like I'll be posting something. By the time that joint hits like hits on Discord, it's like move like 10 points already or 10 pips. I'm just like, yo, chill.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, here's a trade, and by the way, TP1 already hit.
Looking at this rejection up here. Yeah, we moving slow. Unless you're doing some crazy in and out scalping. That's cool.
Who's still holding oil? When did you get in? Someone was asking.
I ain't get in it. Yeah, I literally it'd be crazy. It'd be the ones I missed that actually be the most intense ones. But yeah, I didn't miss it, just didn't really follow my rule or really my setup 100%. So what was it? It was this one right here. It just went up, pulled back a little bit, and just went straight up from there. Just yeah. But these white lines are my rejection areas anyway. So right now we are getting rejection, but you know, I never trade like this. If anything, I'll go on a 1 minute, wait on it to actually break some type of internal low, something like this, pull back, and then I'll take a sell. But these are still too risky anyway, but it's possible. These trades are possible. Damn, man, 30 is not giving me no pullback right now. Fucking A. Yo, Yandel, we remember what I said Thursday. We're gonna do it on Thursday.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
You know, just be prepared to show your strategy a little bit. You don't have to be all of it, just a little bit of just kind of what you look at. And then it's
All
just
right.
going to be me talking about your story, how you got started, why you got started, and that's really it.
Okay. That's it.
Can be an inspiration to all the other 13-year-olds out there that want to make money.
That's for sure. Guys, GU is going to be dropping, like dropping. Jeez, I can even call out this will be a swing trade, like an intraday swing trade move, honestly. Like realistically speaking. Hey yo, 120.
Yes,
I
sir.
got a question. I actually want to take this trade. I actually want to take this as a swing trade. What would be a lot size you would do if you trading over for GU?
Probably about like 10 lots.
With 200K, would you do 10 lots?
Yeah. 10 to
Okay.
15. You a nice 1 to 3.
That's something I didn't think I'd hear for a while. Solo saying he's going to do a swing trade.
Wait, say that. What'd you say, Mike?
I said I didn't think I'd hear this for a while. You saying you're going to do a swing trade.
Oh yeah. I don't know yet. I'm just considering it. All right, guys, we've taken out these lows. So next level for oh, I didn't realize we had a 4-hour imbalance. All of this right here. Let me do this actually. I'm looking on 30 to drop to these levels. I have not sold it yet because I am actually waiting on a pullback. And this wasn't the pullback. I thought I was waiting on a bigger pullback than that, but no, I'm actually waiting on a pullback.
Hey Yandel, we were talking about indicators before. Do you use any indicators?
I use a 200 EMA and I only use the RSI. What about you?
Yeah, I use the EMA and then well, the RSI, I was basically just looking for divergence on the RSI, and then just a couple other ones I'll pop on and off every once in a while just to double check things. But
What is Solo using?
I really don't use indicators, but the indicator you do see now is the LuxAlgo.
Oh.
I'm just actually just trying to test it out. At least this particular one seems pretty cool.
Is it like premium stuff?
Premium stuff, yeah. I do it in my Discord. I post it in my Discord. So if you're not a part of the Discord, that is literally, there's a free Discord link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. Shit, the true setup was actually up here for itself. Somebody was to swing this. Pullback is needed for me to get into 30. Pullback is needed. Oil still getting that rejection. No, I'm not in GU. Not right now. Definitely not in GU. I'm gonna do a back test move real quick. So we are in a area of rejection, right? We do have this low right here. We didn't even create a aggressive displacement yet. That's too much. Nah, that's not it. That's not it. I need a more aggressive displacement. Once I get that, that could be a nice little quick sell off. All right, there goes the pullback for 30. Need that. We need that. Y'all give me 1 second.
So, Mike, have you always lived in Chicago?
Yeah, that's where I grew up, West Side Chicago, and then I eventually, elevated. I'm not in Chicago now, but I still go back every now and then to what they say is the right words that they pay homage.
Hmm.
But nah, I mean I go back just to because I do miss it. Don't get me wrong, like it's quiet as hell out here, and I mean like I said, I grew up in Chicago, so you hear all type of shit out there. So like you eventually miss the sound and the craziness a little bit.
Hmm.
So I do go out there to visit my family and stuff like that. But yeah, West Side Chicago, man.
Nice.
I think I actually been to Tennessee a long time ago when I don't even know how old I was, but I remember going to Tennessee.
That's pretty. It's nice down here. I'm a native of Pittsburgh. I moved down here about 10 years ago, 12 years ago, something like that. But yeah, I mean, actually, I'm heading back to Pittsburgh on tomorrow. But yeah, I like Nashville. Nashville's getting a little crowded though. I mean, I wish we're full. Okay, everybody, we're full. We don't
Come here.
we don't need more traffic or anything.
I think it's Nashville, right? That they say that's like almost like the Las Vegas downtown, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously it's a music city, and there's a lot of bars and stuff like that. But it's cool. It's not like nasty. You know what I mean? It's of course I avoid downtown as much as I can. I'm not a big crowd person, but we're a big tourist. We're a big tourist town, so.
I think it's my brother comes out there. He used to come out there every year for like a little car thing they do out there, I believe. I forget what area exactly he goes to, but is it Gillingsburg? Something like that. I don't know, but he goes out there.
Probably maybe Gatlinburg.
There you go. Yep.
Yeah, that's Gatlinburg's pretty cool.
They say you got to go up to the mountains or something like that.
Yep.
They've been trying to get me to go. I'm like, man, I don't know about all that, man.
That's it. No, I like Gatlinburg. We try to go up there every week. That's like east of Tennessee. We try to go up there every couple years or so.
So it's like almost like a getaway in a sense.
Yeah, you can rent like Airbnb or whatever. You can rent like a cabin in the woods, and then they got a lot of stuff to do. I mean, it's like I said, it's a big touristy thing. And then Pigeon Forge is like at the bottom, which has all of your like entertainment kind of things, and amusement rides and restaurants, and I'd love to go there for Christmas, but man, I heard the traffic is like ridiculous. Like you literally spend most of your time looking at lights while you're sitting in your car. But it's a cool place.
Who knows? They might get me out there one day.
Yeah, come on down, man.
Definitely give me more reason to come down,
Yeah. You might get lucky. You might see a bear walking down the road.
I've heard of that.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys are just like, is this normal to you guys now?
Oh, well, if I see a bear walking down the road in Nashville, that would be something. But no, yeah, in Gatlinburg, I haven't seen one myself. I haven't been over there long enough because it's usually just for a few days. But I've heard stories that, yeah, oh yeah, there's a bear right outside my back door, which is crazy.
Wow, somebody in the chat got a name, Forex Leprechaun. That's a hell of a name, man.
Searching for the gold.
Hey, I love it. Forex Leprechaun.
Leprechaun.
But they had some fires over a few years ago in Gatlinburg and on all this like the Smoky Mountains and stuff. And I remember I was driving down the highway headed that way, and I could literally see the mountains on fire. Like, this is nuts. This is nuts. But they recovered. Got it all taken care of, and they recovered. Dollywood is out there too, which is her amusement park. And what's really cool about Dollywood is all the profits go to charity, so she doesn't make a dime on it.
That is pretty cool.
I don't know. So do you think it's time to start jumping 30 soon?
Start getting to some 30 trades. What are you trying to sell it?
Yeah. See if that's enough of a pullback.
That is definitely enough of a pullback, but these two candles is scaring me because they so aggressive.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can show my screen. Hold on. No, it's not. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure out some stuff. Hey, I got a question for Yandel. How long you been trading?
Like 10 months.
Okay, and then Mike, how long you been trading again?
Probably almost a year now, maybe a little more than a year, close to a year.
And I know one time you've been like 10 years, right?
13.
13. So I got a question for y'all three. Can you guys trade off a like a little small laptop with no problem?
If I had to, I probably would.
Okay, what about you, Mike?
Oh shit! Hey, hold on. Y'all see what 713 said? That's what I like to see right there.
Wait, what?
Let me guess. That was that CAD trade. Yeah, it was. Nah, my bad. Go ahead.
Wait, what happened? I'm confused.
Something in the Discord, I
He
guess.
said, well, in the chat on YouTube, it was 7313. The guy, he was like, my trades are what we trading today. He was just saying I made 500 yesterday based on that trade yesterday. So
Oh, the CAD trade.
yeah,
That's
I
what's
called
up.
it out a few times. So I'm glad he did take advantage of that. Hell yeah.
Oh, that's what you don't like. What we talking about? Hey, I'm sure. Like, wait, what? That's dope, bro. Mike, would you trade off a laptop?
I think I did one time. I didn't like it. I think big screens, but I mean, basically, I trade off my phone as far as like the entries and stuff like that. But you know, obviously, I use the computer to look at trading view. But if I had to, I could trade off a laptop.
I usually trade off my phone, but I trade on my laptop now. If I had to, yeah, I would do the same thing.
Yeah, when I educate people, I always just just set them up in the right place the first time. Like I tell them, no, try to get you a laptop or something. Because if you're analyzing the charts, you want to be able to see every single detail, So I don't sugarcoat nothing. I tell them straight up, laptop, desktop, or something.
One time I was on the road as a passenger and I was trying to trade using a tablet. That didn't work out very well.
Yeah, it's just the interface with that. It's not
Yeah.
like user friendly. Vernal, yes, I do. Vernal, Ashley, yes. I'm gonna actually try to share my screen real quick. Just my camera real quick. Hold on. I can do that though. Let's see.
Yeah, someone said they trade with the
What you showing us?
yeah, what is that?
I'm just showing them. This is another pass happening right now live. So somebody's asking, so I'm just showing them. I don't know if y'all can see this, but we passing another channel live.
Oh, that's what's up. And by the way, I just realized damn, Mike, did you get into US30?
Yeah, I did.
120. I'm about to share the link right now. I always forget where did I put this link at. Like I bookmarking it, but I'd be like, where did I put it at though? Once again, guys, what basically he is showing you is another challenge he is passing. Oh, okay, going crazy. It's blurry, bro. What is that? A 10K or 100K account?
Yeah, 100K.
Look at that. That's like just like taking candy from a baby. Where you at right now? Oh,
We
102.
102.
Yeah, they can't really see it, so I'm just saying it out loud. You at 102. Bot is going crazy. Yeah, if you guys really want the challenge, you can use the code solo20, but use the link too when you sign up. 102. Is it in another trade now? Is that a $3,000 trade or is it a pending? Oh, that's a pending trade. Buy stop. Okay. I need to start doing some buy stops, sell stops.
I told you, bro.
All right,
Like,
look, check this out.
That's like, okay. Let me tell you. Let me give you some gems.
Wait, I want you to give me some gems while you look at my screen. Ah, shit, it changed. See, how do I? That's dope.
Ah, that is nice. Ain't it? You know you do that. So like right now, right? As you're looking at the US30, you on to a 2 minute.
Yeah.
Now let's just say for whatever reason this thing pop bearish or bullish, you could put your sell stop below that recent what is that 3 yeah, you can put it even below it. Just give it some more, breathing room below it. Yeah, and you can put like a sell stop right there just in case they go ahead and like now, like they been done. Look, you would have been in that order right there.
So if it was to hit this line, I would have been in an order right now, right?
Yep, as it's already in momentum though, because as you see right now where that's not a good zone. It's gonna fluctuate and mess around with you. So you put it to where it's gonna break structure and then just go.
So it was best to do buy stops at the break of structure.
Yeah, or like a recent candle. So if it's gonna flip bearish or bullish at the most recent candle. So like that most recent bearish candle right there.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. No, the next one. Yeah, like you see how it's going bullish right now.
Yeah.
You could put a buy stop right there above that candle and eat all day because it's definitely gonna probably surpass it.
So I could put a buy stop above what candle? This candle?
Yeah.
So you put a buy stop above this?
That's mainly how I do it. I'll put it above and below the recent candles or whatnot. For those sniper type entries, like you said, we ain't marrying these trades anyway. We just get in and out.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, that's how you about to pop off. I'll be shocked.
No, that's crazy that you're saying that because that's a whole nother like. But you gotta be, if you're doing it manually, you gotta be ready.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta be right there. You're not gonna be sitting in it too long.
All right, well, what's the difference? This is always confuses me. What's the difference between a sell stop and a limit, or a buy stop and a limit?
Like the limit is like, just imagine yourself running into a wall, right? And you're gonna bounce off. So you run to a brick wall or whatever it is, you're gonna bounce off. No matter what, you're gonna bounce off. So that's what a limit order is. You put it at a support level, it's gonna hit that support level and bounce, trigger you in, and then you're in that order. So like right now, if you would have put that order in as a buy limit, he would have probably been triggered in that buy order right there.
Yeah. So like if I put a buy limit order right here, right when it hit here, it would have triggered. Or a sell limit order, if I would put sell limit order right here, like where literally that line is at, it will hit it. Rather than if I did a sell stop, it's more like how can you put a sell stop compared with a limit order? How can I explain it? Like you said, a sell stop is once it hits that line, it's gonna automatically sell. So like sell stops are really good. Like stop orders is really good for like if you mainly trade breakouts. Like just straight breakout. Limit orders is really good if you do like exactly what we're doing here. Fair value gap, imbalance, equilibrium, all of that stuff.
All right, cool.
I used to use I got a strategy to where like I use it on the British pound pairs, Asian session. When the Asian session switches over to the London session, it's like a breakout strategy that we use with the British pound, and we mainly use the pending orders for that. We put a buy stop and sell stop on both sides, and either way you're gonna make money. So like that's just a strategy that we always do on that part at that time, and it works. Like I've been doing that for years. I teach all people that first start trading, because people want to get the urge to get in the markets anyway. So I always give them that first strategy. I say, hey, this is something you can apply right now and just try it out, and that's just something I've been doing for a long time. They call it a London, I think they call it a London, Asian London breakout or something like that.
Oh yeah, I heard about that.
That thing is a killer, man.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, like right now where that thing's sitting at, you could probably be like, all right, cool, I'm gonna put a buy stop at that candle and sell stop below, and then either direction it go, you're gonna eat. Cause it's gonna be volatile when it do move.
That is true. That's basically hedging too, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's not.
You could do that though. Like when they say hedging, that's
like
they really going into like a different definition about like hedging. You gotta really be going. I'm trying to define. Like they allow. Oh no, okay. So like no, like what we're doing is called straddle. You ever heard of straddle before?
No. I think you told me about it though.
Yeah, straddle was like you're putting, a buy and sell stop. You're buying and selling the market, which is allowable because we do bi-directional. So you can't tell me I can't do both. But like hedging, I think is a little more aggressive and a little more crazier. But that's it's like a straddle though.
Okay. Yeah, the EA does work for Funded Pro. The EA is just a little bit. It'll be a little bit slower process just because Funded Pro is a 2-phase challenge. But of course.
Yes, sir. Any funded account, any prop firm, it don't matter. We running it up.
Where you at right now? Because I definitely can't see that.
Oh, my bad. We are at $108,832.
So you already at 8%.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's 109 right there.
You got $1 more grand to go.
So you about to pass somebody challenge.
Yep. And this is actually from Solo Network.
Oh, this is
I don't
one
know
of
if you
the
want to put his name out there, but
I just wanted to. Okay, shout out to you if you watching this. You probably is you. But we about to see you get funded. About to see you get funded.
Next day turnaround.
So I thought doing a buy limit or buy stop and a sell stop at the same time. I thought some prop firms don't like that.
Nah, I mean, like I said, like I think we got to really look up the definition of hedging so we can really see what that is. Cause like you could do limit orders, many as you want, like on both sides, Like don't take my word, just definitely try it yourself. They are not gonna trip at all. I just think hedging is like, I don't know. I never did hedging before, but I know hedging is something different. And then it's almost like, I think it's almost if it's like an arbitrage in a sense, which they don't allow.
Yeah. Yeah, I've heard the word. I know what arbitrage is. I've never really heard it. I just started hearing about it in Forex. I don't understand what it means, but in the Forex arena. But
see, like
this Streets TV, man, you're killing it today.
Yeah, you are. He's going crazy.
He's scalping 30, man.
I got a really cool strategy that I used to do for what was that pair, man? It was a Forex pair. It was literally kind of like what you be saying 120 about like the buy stop sell stop, but I forgot that was like I was doing that like my second year trading, trying to figure things out, and it was actually doing good.
Like I still have videos, and that's how I was able to compound some of the accounts I was doing. Like just like every now and then I do like just like the experiment, but like you can compound an account very easily with that, especially with that strategy, because you can stack and scale in with the pending orders. Like if it's market going up, I know it's gonna go up, but right now we at the low. I'm attacking that recent candle to the left with my pending orders because I know it's gonna meet me there. You know what I'm saying? So I'ma wait. You know what I'm saying? Then I could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many of I want. So when the price triggers it, I'm in like 10 pending orders. And then I can have a short stop, 25, 20 pips as a target. And just like that, you make your money quick.
Facts. Yeah,
Alright,
you,
so-
you just gotta really have the right broker to do that. Some brokers have crazy spreads, some don't. You just gotta really figure that out. But yeah, like I said, guys, if you want that 120 challenge, did I share the link? The link is, don't know where I just put it at again. What the fuck? Let me. Oh, okay. All right, I bookmarked it. How did I do that? Let me bookmark this a different way. Just do bookmark bar. Yeah, like I said, y'all can check it out.
I'm not sure what Kaz Lights, what bot he's talking about.
I'm not even on this. Hold on, let me go back to the
He said, "What's the name of the bot? Is it the one you're talking about, the EA?"
120.
Yeah.
And if it's, he's asked if it's free. Well, it's not free. Hey, Solar, real quick, the on my 5-minute, it looks like we've got divergence going on, so it might be turning around soon.
Yeah, it's playing around right now, man. It's playing little games right now.
Vernal, yes we do. And
It's
Tega,
solo
with
20.
the promo code, it should be cheaper.
Look at that oil still going up. That's crazy. Okay, see, Mike, you remember when I was telling you how accurate the premium and discount thing was?
Yeah.
I had drew out the box, so it even went up again. So that's what I was trying to figure out. It does it adjust, and it is adjusting. So I don't know. I don't kind of like that. That's why I was.
Yeah, well,
curious.
that's what I was saying. If it breaks out of it, you know,
It
what
just keeps-
what does it do? And apparently, it readjusts itself.
Yeah, I don't like that. That's kind of stupid to me, honestly. I was just curious though. That's why I was trying to figure out what is this premium discount thing. Not a big fan of that.
Which is the reason why I don't use indicators to tell me when to buy and sell.
Exactly. Indicators are great, guys, but you got to use it the right way. Never use an indicator to trigger a sell or a buy.
Yeah, because a lot of them repaint.
Hey,
Yeah, a lot of
Tega,
them do.
hold on.
Wait, what you say, Mike?
Nah, you're
120?
good. Y'all good.
Ah. You said I have to get. You said I'm on a website buying saying $9.97. I have to enter the code somewhere.
I think that's the same thing Mike was experiencing yesterday. Hold on, I'm gonna do it right now.
Yeah, the purchase page didn't have the discount code, but then
Y'all crashing the page, man. What's up? E, this all your fault.
Hey man, they loving it.
All right, hold on. I'm about to update it right now, so y'all just probably be able to refresh y'all screen. Give me 1 second.
Yo, In the Streets TV, man. Shout out to you. I see your channel. You be talking about like in the street shit. I like it. It's giving me DJ Academics vibes. I see your channel blowing up too, man. Congrats on that, brother. Over 100K subscribers, talking about what's happening in the streets. I got a question. Are you only doing it in certain areas? Because I know DJ Academics was mainly doing it in Chicago. Where are you mainly doing it at? It's funny because somebody was like, "You should do that too." I'm like, "Nah, I'm good. It's not me." So the code, so it's got the discount thing on there now.
Yeah, it's I think it's what solo 20. I think. Yeah.
Wait,
I
how do
have
they
to
check
renew
out?
it.
How do they check out? Do they got to enter the information?
Yeah, they go to the same website, opt in, and then they'll bring them to the second page, and then from there they could just kind of choose where they want to kind of get started at.
Oh.
I need another pullback on 30 so I can jump in again.
But where do you enter the discount code at?
It'll say promotional code at the bottom right here. I'll screenshot it. Screenshot.
Because when I click the software or something, you know, it takes me to
Refresh your screen. Just refresh it real fast, and then
yeah, that's what
try
I
it
did.
again.
Huh. You said you just following the trends, streets, and hip hop news. That's what's up, man.
I don't know how much hip hop they have going on in Nashville, but if you're down here, you can probably get in the country vibe.
That's funny.
Yeah, I just sent you a screenshot of how it should look.
Oh, okay.
We gotta update one more thing real quick.
All right, for sure. Y'all, give me 1 second.
Hey, the Tega, it'll still be $9.97, but you have to. I think I had to like click on a little link or something to open up for the discount code. I don't know what it is now, but you have to put the discount code and then it'll change the price.
All right, now y'all should be good. One more time, just refresh it, and then you should be good. Promo code still the same though. Solo 20. Solo. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to trade in, as y'all see, servicing people and all type of stuff. I forgot who was just talking about that multitasking.
Yeah, I was mentioning about Solo yesterday. He was multitasking. He's on Discord. He's on YouTube here. He's doing other stuff.
Yeah, man,
Dang.
we all trying to do multiple things. Crazy. Y'all can check out my YouTube as well. They'll have all the websites on there. It's spelled out the same, 120 Dreamers. December might not, yeah, we might be on to something different in December, man. Might be something even better. So this is actually this little phase we in right now actually ends. We closing this off on October 1st, so that's the last time you'll be able to take advantage of this. But we close it off, and then we kind of take care of everybody, and then we on to the next. I should have called out this other trade. Still can call it out. I'll tell y'all about it. We got a euro, British pound. This is the 1 hour setup. This one right here, we looking at sales. It broke a recent low. So if y'all get on this trade right now, y'all might be able to eat a little bit. But we just broke the recent lows. So we are currently retesting or whatever we call it. So and we have some gaps to fill too, so we might just retrace and then flip bearish again. So that's definitely a nice trade to take a look at. Euro British pound.
Shit, this is what just happened,
What happened?
bro.
Yeah,
I've been missing
yeah.
all these sales with 30. What the fuck,
Man, I'm telling you, man, if you would have gotten that sell stop, look at that.
bro?
Bro.
I'm getting hell. Not, bro. I promise you, Mike. You just one time you just put me on the sell stops. I think I'm really legitimately. I already know what I'm about to do with a sell stop because I used to do something like this before, but never with a sell stop.
Yeah,
So you
just
just put me
imagine
on.
doing it with scalping, bro. Like, look how fluid it moved. Like, bro, you would have been up 100,000 right now.
I don't even want to give y'all my secret sauce of what I'm about to do with my scalping strategy right now, but you know, I'll save it for later because I gotta back test it real quick. Y'all know I like to back test things before I start talking about it too crazy, but just me looking at it right now, yeah. Damn, you just got me excited about something. I'm definitely about to do some back testing after this. In the streets, you still going crazy? Yeah, you going crazy.
Man, I want to get funded, but I don't know about the 90%.
What you mean?
Like 10% drawdown rule on FTMO.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, I gotta run. Hey, does FTMO do challenge? They do phase one only challenges, or they do?
They only do like
I'm not
two
sure.
phase right now.
They do the two phase still. Okay.
Man, just imagine FTMO did do one phase, man. What?
I think I might
They
make them
need
go
to.
bankrupt. Nah,
will.
FTMO crushing it. They got money. I'm still surprised that my
I know.
Forex funds was supposedly more shares or whatever than FTMO.
Yeah, that was shocking to hear too.
Wait, how much for $1,000 account on FTMO?
100,000. FTMO is expensive. They got the right to be expensive though, because they the OGs. Like they're the most trusted prop firm you can go with.
I think there's around like 500, right?
Yeah, I'm about to see right now.
500 for 100,000?
Y'all want to know how many FTMO challenges I brought? I'm about to tell you guys right now how many challenges I brought and failed. If y'all been watching any of my previous videos, I used to talk about how FTMO put me on check. Actually, FTMO is what literally made me create this trading plan. Like, I promise you. When I first heard about prop firms, I was like, what is this? I didn't know nothing about risk management. And I took a total of, god damn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Technically, I took 4 challenges and only passed 1. Got funded, and then I fucked that one up. And that is that. So it's crazy. But
So,
yo, I'm about to look at these numbers for you right now too.
okay.
But if you're trying to get funded, when you said 100K account, if you do a 100K account, you're looking at 576. Let's see, is MT5 more aggressive? What? Damn, aggressive. If you do a 100K aggressive account, you're looking at 1153. What the hell is an aggressive account? Y'all know what an aggressive account is with FTMO?
I never heard of that.
What is
I
it?
think the leverage may be a little different leverage, and then
Nah, it's the
leveraging
same.
something else.
Yeah, it's 1 to 100. And they only go up to 100K for the aggressive. Higher daily loss limit for an aggressive. Oh, where the hell are the rules at? Oh, I gotta read it in here.
Wait, but
For a normal account, it's 5. If you want to just get the normal account, I don't know if it's I don't know what the daily drawdown is.
it says 10%.
What about aggressive? You see that part?
No, I don't see it. But FTMO makes you use ACAP. ACAP is not good though.
FTMO use ACAP?
Yeah, it says ACAP and Think Market.
Wow, I did not know. I thought FTMO literally had their own server, their own thing. I didn't know that.
ACAP is so trash. It's not good.
Shout out to ACAP.
Wait, you said FTMO has ACAP now?
Oh, wait, do they have?
It says it.
Where you see this at?
Let me share.
Yeah, that must be new because at first they did. But ACAP is taking over, so I won't be shocked.
Ah, Yandel, we see you, brother.
What's up?
You look so young.
Hold on. How do I switch my screen? Oh, look.
But what is it though? Like, that's not FTMO.
Oh yeah, that's traded. That's funded trader.
Yeah, that's
I know
funded.
what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
that's funded trader.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was about to say this because that was okay.
My bad.
Oh, you good, man? You good?
Okay, I found the real one.
Hey, you still ahead of the game.
For real.
Thank you. You inspire me, Michael, and Solo, and Mike.
Hey, I don't know if I inspire you, man. You inspire me, shit.
Right,
Like,
you inspire me.
yeah. Like for you to be young, bro. Like I said, man, I'm trying to get my son like you.
For real.
It's goals, bro.
Look, my son in the room right now. He ain't got school today.
What? Why not?
I don't know. Hold on.
I don't have school either.
What's going on today, man?
I
My
don't know.
kid got school.
Cause I did my schoolwork yesterday.
Oh yeah, you said you homeschool, right?
I do online school.
Online school. I'm sorry.
I do
Why
it so
you-
I can trade.
Why you don't have school today? Can you tell the people
Yeah.
why you don't have school today? Do you know?
No.
Man, that's
Homeschool.
dope, man.
You don't know? You good? What you was watching TV? What you was watching?
He's like, I don't know why I'm out of school, Daddy. I'm just happy out of school, man.
Huh? Mhm. All right, I'm gonna let you go then. Go ahead, bud. I love you. See you later. Bye. Ah, now you want to stay here. Big head.
Little E.
Yeah, I think it's a teacher's I know.
What?
Because my teachers have an appointment. Okay, so it's teacher conference day or whatever they call it.
Oh yeah, I have heard of that.
That's because I think it's parent night conference tomorrow. So, you know, they trying to get all the little questions, answers, or whatever.
This is what your kid has been doing.
What'd you say, E? Exactly. So the teachers can be better at doing their job. That's exactly why they do it. Fucking smart. I love it. Oh, you got homework too. You gotta do your homework.
Hey, Forex Leprechaun, I'm gonna have to check out your channel, man. Cause that name is just it piques your interest, man.
Forex Leprechaun, I like it. Bye. You know where it's at? So I've been asking this question, not question, but I had this poll up, and a lot of you guys are saying gold right now. 35%, 30. Okay, now I just changed. Hold on. 34% of y'all said gold, and 34% of y'all said index, and 10% of y'all said oil. Damn, y'all gonna downplay oil like that?
Right, because you haven't been trading it for a little while.
I have not, so I guess I'm downplaying it too. So I'm contradicting myself. Forex pairs 21%. Gold is still up there. What is it about gold y'all like? For those that it's just crazy because the ones I asked, it'd be the ones that would speak up and be like, "Nah, I've been losing money on gold," but is really gold making y'all money, like for real? Or y'all just trading because everybody else is trading and y'all just really trying to figure it out? Like, be honest with me. What is it?
Solo, do you still trade gold?
Do I trade what?
Do you still trade gold?
I'm like, I used to, man. I used to trade gold a lot. Gold was my top 3 until this New Year's came, and it just for some reason something happened with the condition and the way I trade now. I just can't. Like, I always get stopped out because I used to scalp gold a lot, and I realized with gold, consolidation is super aggressive, man.
Wait, this says free trail on FTMO. What does that mean? There's like a free trail.
I don't know what a free trial would be unless that means like a demo account or something.
Yeah, it does that. Oh yeah, it says aggressive or normal. Which one?
What was your question?
On FTMO it says risk mode, normal, or aggressive. What does that mean?
That might be about the leverage, right?
Yo, one
Like
I
a
think
my bad. Yeah,
100 or maybe the other one's 30 or something. I don't do FTMO, so I don't know.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
based on like high. It's based on it give you higher leverage, and then a higher, like they say, daily, drawdown. So if you're more of an aggressive trader, you might need more drawdown room.
All right.
Hey, Take, you got to check the comments, man. I dropped my number in there. Anybody can text me. That's my business line. If y'all got questions, just text me. because I can't keep up with the chat like that. But if y'all got questions, just text me.
Oh, I got nervous. I'm like, what are we looking at? This is gold.
In the streets TV, yes, sir.
Man, I'm missing all of this US30. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It's like, hey, I'm missing all this US30. Yo, Mike, you put 120. Yo, you just put me on with this buy stop. I'm like, I'm just like looking at something right now. It's crazy.
Yeah, I love using them things, man. They just, like I say, man, especially for scalping, just to get in. Like the best way I explain those orders, like I always ask the question like this, just to see if people will understand it. I say, all right, you ever slid into somebody's DM, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So people generally say yes, no. And I say, all right, cool. The same thing we doing with the trades. We are literally sliding into the trade. Instead of market execution, we're sliding into the trade.
Exactly. We sliding and sliding out. Hey, man, they gonna accept it or not?
Yeah, Tega, hit me up on IG if that's the easiest for y'all. Y'all can find me on IG. I forgot about IG as well. That's the easiest way to find me. But yeah, man, y'all over here sliding in the DMs. I'm over here sliding into these trades with the sell and buy stop.
Set and forget. You is right.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why I love using them. But you can just set and forget if you really wanted to.
Wait, they got an order block in here too? Oh my gosh. I must have bypassed this one. Oh no, this is the, what is this? What is this? I'm a little confused now.
Hey, anybody that want to take those sales on Euro British Pound is setting up. We retracing right now, so y'all are keeping an eye on that.
What the hell is this? Internal buy sell activity. Like, what is this, bruh? Like, is this to tell me if the sells are more stronger than the buys? I guess that's what it looks like. It looks confusing though. Hey, if y'all are active on this live stream, I need everybody here to go ahead and drop the fire emoji. 1, a 2, and a 3. Y'all probably gonna get a super delay, but I need everybody here to drop a fire emoji. Any emoji. That's a fire emoji. Oh shit, I'm about to spam. I got my own emoji. Don't ask me how. I don't even remember how I did that. What is this? Stop. Oh yeah. I know how you gotta get that emoji. Drop the emoji. He said on the computer I can't find it. I don't know how it works either on the computer. Oh yeah, I do know. I'm on the computer. Just go to show chat, go to chat, and then go to add reaction. And there you go. Drop the fire emoji, y'all. Keep it coming. Let's spam chat. Let's spam the chat. Let's spam the chat. Make YouTube be like, damn, who is this guy? Put it in the algorithm, y'all. Let's keep spamming it. This is LuxAlgo. This is LuxAlgo. You can get the discount. Like I said, they did sponsor it. They asking for the TP for Euro 120. Guys, wait. Don't give out no TP until y'all keep dropping the fire emoji. Keep dropping the fire emoji.
No TP, no fire emoji.
Keep dropping the fire emoji, y'all. Ah, shit. What did I just put out? That's not a fire emoji. What emoji is that?
Let's see if we can get the likes up to 500. We at 334. Let's see if we can get up to 500.
Yes, sir. Let's
We got
get the likes up.
789 people in here. I'm gonna do more than just TP for y'all. I'm gonna make y'all some money. Come on, run
Keep
it up
dropping
on
the fire
Let's
emoji.
support our boy E, man.
I used to,
Show
man.
him some love, y'all.
Look, I'm gonna have to go back to what I used to do back in the day when we started these streams. Like, I'm not giving y'all no sauce, no nothing until y'all either like the video, spam with the emojis,
I appreciate y'all, man.
something.
It's all love. It's all love. We gotta support our boy E, man. Come on, let's run it up.
I appreciate that.
I see y'all working. Come on, keep it coming.
You remember that? Yeah, I was going crazy, man. I wasn't playing no games, and I just got lazy and stopped doing it. But I appreciate y'all for doing what y'all doing now. You know, like I said, man, this is love. You know, like and I'm gonna get back to saying this, but this is real facts, though, guys. The more y'all show love in my live streams, being active, liking my video, the more consistent I will go live. You know, like I said, I genuinely don't need to go live, but I love doing it because it's something I love doing. But in order for me to stay motivated and doing these live streams, all I ask for y'all to do, and it's free, is just to like the video for 1, and then just drop emojis for 2, and that's it. You know, that's all I ask for. I ain't asking for y'all to buy my course. I ain't asking for y'all gotta buy this, y'all gotta do that. It's there, but y'all don't have to. You know, I'm just asking for free coffee. That's it. Don't tell me US30 dropping again. Oh, I'm looking at it this time. I'm paying attention to it.
I don't know how many times people in the chat would say, hey, you know, how much money they made or how many, you know, they passed the challenges by watching your channel.
That is true. And all I ask for is just a genuine like or a comment. And it's crazy too, man, because I started, this is one thing where I like to be discreet about my strategies, because like I said, I literally, one of the students of mine showed me somebody created a bot of the 3-man standing strategy and the liquidity phase strategy. I swear to gosh, I don't know who it is, but it's still in my Discord. And I'm just like, wow. And he told me that they're charging to get access to that bot. And I'm just like, who? So if you watching this, if it's you, shame on you. I will always just, if you do what you do, that's cool, man. But you know, at least you give me credit. That's all I ask for. At the end of the day, it is what it is. But I'm just telling you guys, you know, I put these strategies out here, you know, just to be genuine but I know people definitely do take advantage of everything. Why pay for a bot when you get it for free here? Might not get it too much into details because I do have to leave that to my VIP community, but I give enough information for those that understands. You know, at least enough information to take the trade. Not even that. I got so many dope strategy videos out for free that y'all can watch. But yeah. What's y'all plans for today? What y'all got going on for today?
I just heard some big old thunder outside, so I ain't going out there.
Uh-oh. You sure it ain't a bear, Mike?
Like I said, I see a bear in Nashville. We got problems. We got to check the zoo because it escaped.
Man, that's crazy. Anybody in Florida where y'all got to worry about alligators, crocodiles? Dang, 120. What do we got to worry about out here? Probably just deer. Probably.
Yeah,
really
certain
it.
places, deers and whatnot.
Arizona. I remember I was walking in Arizona. I just seen a fucking lizard out of nowhere just pop out of my. I'm like, what the hell is this?
I think crazy weather thing that happens here is a possible tornado.
I was told we do it, but don't get a lot of those out here. I know a lot of that happens, yeah, where you at Oklahoma area. It happens. Oklahoma, right? I think there'll be a lot of tornadoes out there.
Yeah. I guess because it's flat. Kansas.
I always wanted to be a tornado chaser, whatever you call them, people. I don't know the actual term, but I always wanted to be one.
What these guys that chase the weather?
Mm-hmm. It just always amazed me. I gotta be the guy going to the tornado and leaving it. That's me. Man, I don't know.
Well, those dudes that fly into a hurricane. That's crazy.
I don't know about a hurricane though, but tornadoes for sure. But a hurricane, I was never like. Tornado is something more like something you can actually see, and it's just like it was just cool to me how it was swirling. Okay, whatever. But hurricane is just nothing but a gust of wind, and you don't know what the hell is going on.
A bunch of rain.
Yeah.
So you saw a tornado?
Only just seeing it forming. I mean, not forming, but it was in the process. And that's it. Other than that, I'll be watching a bunch of videos. Like what actually had happened recently. Shit, was it in Kansas? I think it was crazy. Street T. Was it in Kansas? I don't know if it was in Kansas, but I was watching a bunch of those. It was tragic what happened though, but I don't know. I just love it. I'm amazed by tornadoes.
There was a comedian that one time said that they should build a bunch of fake trailer parks because that's where all the tornadoes seem to hit.
What the fuck was that? Oh no, that's.
You just put up a bunch of empty trailers and the tornado will go right towards it.
I ain't never been in a dust storm in Arizona yet. But you know, I'm always open.
Here's what I want to do someday is drive out west. But you always see these in the movies and TV shows where it's just this one long straight road, desert on the both sides of you, and then you pull up on some little gas station place. I always wanted to drive and see that sometime.
That sounds fire. That sound fire.
A bunch of years ago, as I was in Aruba, and that's the first time I ever saw like one of those cactuses that like one of those like cartoon looking cactuses that have the arms and stuff. I mean, I was amazed. I mean, the Aruba was obviously nice, but I was more amazed by this freaking cactus because it's like in the cartoons. Those are huge too. They're huge. Never would have thought it.
That's crazy. Oil is not pulling back at all. Golly. Yo, you funny, Anthony. Is it? That's what's up. You said NASDAQ just giving out money? Really? I actually like the structure on 30 better than NASDAQ. I've been waiting for a pullback forever, but apparently I've been missing every pullback. I'm looking on 30 to continue to come down all the way to 3341.06. It's like ATM today. It be like that, man. You be having them ATM days, and then you be having them them deposit days where you got to deposit more money right back into your account because you blew it all. That's part of trading, man. That's how they got to play. They got to make it look pretty, make it sound pretty, and make it be pretty. And then they get all up the next couple days. You ever took a $100 account to $1,000, and then once y'all hit that $1,000, your account go bankrupt? That ever happen? They got to do it. They got to give you a perfect setup. That's how they stay in business. I got a question for everybody here. What is y'all biggest flex? What is y'all biggest flex y'all done in trading? Like, what's your biggest flex you accomplished? Pocket options, man, I remember them. Pocket options, binary options, $75 to $3,800, February of last year. Okay, that's a nice flex. You did 15 to 18, 50 then 0. Okay, that's what's up. That's a nice flex. We need these flex moments. It gives us motivated. It lets us know what's actually possible. 100 to 8K in 8 days. Okay, that's a big nice flex right there.
Jeez.
And you said that was in 3 days. Nice. Anybody else had any good flex accomplishments you want to talk about? I feel like we all need one because it just motivates us to continue. Because I know mine was the first year, and then the most recent was almost a year, about a year ago. My biggest flex is crashed out on a brand new. Oh, you got the Corvette C8 from Forex. That's what's up. You like the C8 over the C7? I'd rather get a C7 than a C8.
Yeah, I like the C7 too. C8's nice, I'll take it, but I like the C7s. Actually, I did the Corvette plant tour where you can see them build them. That was pretty cool.
Your biggest flex was 10K to $0 in a week. Did I say thought link? Who am I tripping? So you did 50 to 250. Oh, right now you're 18 to 800 today. Why you don't like the C7s though? Like, what about the C7s you don't like?
The C8s are very comfortable though. I got to sit in one time. The seats, oof. I'd like to have one of those in my house.
You said you like to have a C what in your house?
The seats
Oh,
are they're very comfortable on the C8.
on a C8. Okay.
Yeah. I guess because probably the typical age of a Corvette owner is probably like in the 50s, so they're going to make it nice and comfy.
You say, oh, that's fire. I think I don't know. I'm not a big fan of like Corvettes, but I would take a C7 over anything. CS don't look like no damn Lambo, not to me. The C7 model looks way meaner than the C8.
Looks more American. The C8 looks European.
Damn, you right, Mike. That's actually facts. It just looks more aggressive. And I'm the same way with the RS8 and the Urus. Like, I like the RS8 body style rather than the Urus body style. And then you talking about the GTRs. I love the GTRs. I think they're still underrated. Like, you got to be a car head in order for you to be like, damn, look at that. You know, if you just somebody like casually don't even know much about cars, you can be like, oh, that's a car.
Yeah. I raced this past Sunday, and there's just like cars out there. I mean, it can be anything from a Lotus to like someone actually had a Geo Metro, for God's sakes. And but then there's also a guy that's called a kart, a KART, and it's basically like, looks like a go-kart, but like on Major League steroids. And it's usually the fastest thing out there because it probably weighs a couple 100 pounds, and the guy weighs 100 pounds, and it's just like a lot of power. Well, believe it or not, a Tesla beat that guy. The Teslas are so crazy fast.
I can understand it.
I mean, it's fast, but even handles like crazy. It actually beat this little freaking go-kart thing. I couldn't believe it. What's a Tesla, like 4,000 pounds or something?
But Tesla, it's a Tesla, You know how Teslas can be. They got no gears. That joint just...
Oh, yeah. Oh, it slaps you in the back.
And it's gone.
My brother bought one. I drove it, I guess it was around Christmas time, and the thing that surprised me the most is, like, as soon as you let off, I don't even know if you can use the word gas anymore, but as soon as you let off the gas, it like immediately starts slowing down, like to almost putting you through the windshield, kind of slow down, I guess, because of the regen of the motors or whatever. I was like, holy crap. So you could literally drive that thing around and probably not touch your brakes, because it'll eventually come to a stop, especially if it sees a stop sign. They'll come to a stop or a red light. So you could like not go through any brakes at all. It's crazy.
No, that's crazy.
I just don't like the looks of Tesla. I don't know.
I'm the same way, but I think I'll still get a Tesla just to have one.
Oh yeah, no. Again, I wouldn't turn one down, but
for sure,
but yeah, I mean, especially when I forget what model it is. Not the X, but
you got Tesla 3, Tesla Y, and Tesla X.
Maybe it's the Y.
The Y
is
the crossover.
When it's white, when I see a white Tesla, it's like they never took the wrap off that it came from the manufacturer, because the whole front end, it's just like all like all, there's no chrome or anything on it, no black, no chrome, nothing. It's just like, take the wrap off, man. That's my paint.
No, that's facts. Oh. Well, yeah, guys, today is pretty much dead for now. We're gonna end today's stream. That being said, I unfortunately will not be back on until I think Monday. But I will be having like I said, I'm working on a new layout. And I'm gonna start posting like some of my music videos now moving forth in my live stream, so y'all can like, it's just I gotta start showcasing my music. I haven't been doing that in so long. But other than that, man, I'll see you guys later. Everybody else, Mike 120, I'm gonna holler at y'all soon.
All right, sounds good. Have a good one.
All right. Hey, everybody, beats email. What do you mean? Oh, you make beats? Send it to solomanagement@gmail.com. Like, it's literally in my YouTube, my Gmail, or you can go to my Instagram. It'll be that email, literally. But other than that, let me find this video before I go. I'm gonna play the video again. But other than that, y'all, yeah, I'll see y'all later. Everybody, peace.
Bye, Solo. Bye, everybody.
Oh, you a girl. Yo, it's only so get out of here.
I've been out here feeling me on a regular, fucking with this dream, preparation. You don't like I'm on that same shit, let me elevate you. Working through that patience, termination. This is how it is, tell me now. You really with it, then I'm feeling I've been out of line. Man, I cannot catch me out my temp, been a lot of high. And if you fucking with me, then you ain't never lie. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you. Never change, too much change. Feeling like you know what's on. I ain't never lied, but I had it wrong. Dreaming big, chase it back. With me, then you with me, we gon' run it back. Mama overworking double shift, she gotta get her grind on. All this overtake she work, man, she missed her time home. But I get it, you got children, you gotta put your mind on it. This the realest shit that's happening, this money's not slow. Let's make it rain on them, just fuck it up, I know you really out here sound. But if you with it, we gon' roll it up for the man homies. Just fuck it up, I know I'm body, it's a hang on them. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. Would you still fuck with me if I fall? I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you.